What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Do me a favor, hit that like button, press that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you can stay alerted when all of the hot videos are released in real time. Now, today we're going to talk about the overall view and spectrum of cryptocurrency market. We are really going through a market psychology type of situation. One day we send crypto, Bitcoin up, the next day we send it down. This is a true roller coaster if I have ever seen one, but we're going to break it down for the overview and kind of show you what the trajectory is and what direction we are seeing Bitcoin and cryptocurrency continue to move in. So before we get into those topics of the day, let's first go ahead and take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, folks, Bitcoin is at $97,800. That seems to be a, some folks would say, oh, that's a horrible number. Bitcoin got blasted today. We're down $4,500 in one day, but it is what it is. The Bitcoin dominance is back up 56.42%. That's not what we want to see, but like I say, that's what we're looking at. The Fear and Greed Index is at 66. We did see the Fear and Greed Index get to 60 maybe yesterday. Now it's up to 66, but I think it probably will go back down because we're seeing Bitcoin and cryptocurrency tiptoe down just a little bit. But that's the overall scope of what's going on right now. A little bit of a correction, more consolidation is what's happening. Nevertheless, one of the things I want to talk about today is that recently we have been seeing Bitcoin dip. When Bitcoin dipped like it did today, Bitcoin is down 4%, 5%. We see the altcoins down 10%, 15, 20%. And when Bitcoin is up 4%, 5%, we are not seeing the altcoins up 20%, 15%, and so forth. So that's one thing to be paying attention to. We still at the beginning of Q1 2025. Things are still early. Bitcoin is still footing the bill right now. Bitcoin is still the #1 stunner right now. Bitcoin is still in the forefront. Have not taken a backseat to altcoins yet. Always pay attention to what the market is showing you. Don't try to overthink the process. Don't try to be the smartest in the room. You want to take what the market is showing you. Want to take what the charts are giving you. Now, we know last year, December 17th, we saw the all-time high for Bitcoin when it hit $108,000. At the end of the year, December 31st, we saw Bitcoin dip down to $91,000. Now, that is when folks were panicking. That's when folks was having a hard time breathing. I mean, folks were really rattled and shaken out, and rightfully so. When you're looking at your portfolio and your portfolio is down $25,000, $40,000, some folks are down $100,000 within a matter of 2 weeks. That'll be enough for you to call your psychologist and be like, I need to come schedule a meeting. We need to talk. But that is the volatility of cryptocurrency. You know, you got to take the ups with the down. That's why I mentioned you want to be able to stay as even keel as possible. When the market is going up, don't get too high and start celebrating. When the market is going down, don't get too low and start beating yourself up. That is just the roller coaster ride that we're on. That's what we signed up for when we went to the ticket booth and said, we want to get on this ride over here. We want to get on this ride called cryptocurrency, called Bitcoin. If you didn't read the fine print, the fine print said that it's very volatile, can cause nauseous, headaches, lack of sleep, all that kind of stuff. So market psychology is a real thing in the stock market, and it's more of a real thing in cryptocurrency. Like I mentioned, $91,000 towards the end of December 31st, we were at $91,000. Today we at $97,800. So that is no big deal. The beginning of 2025, January 1st, we did start to see the recovery from that 2-week nasty consolidation that we saw towards the end of December. So what we're doing right now, we are in recovery mode. Market psychology, no doubt about it, but we are in recovery mode. We did see Bitcoin recover, and it's still recovering from the $91,000 level. $102,000 yesterday. Folks was excited. Oh, we getting ready to go to 108. We going to 110, 110. That's just the market psychology. As soon as you think it's going to continue to go up, Bitcoin will shift that gear and go left. Now, as you can see, we're down $4,500 Bitcoin today, down 4% Bitcoin. But nevertheless, this is still early. We know that we have an explosive year of 2025. This bull market is going to be incredible. Right now, it's very important to continue to take advantage of these dips. It don't seem like it's the right thing to do. It don't seem comfortable to be buying right now when you see in your portfolio continue to lose money, continue to lose money. But we have seen some great recoveries because, like I said, we was at 91,000 December 31st. Now we're at $97,000. So if you look at the overall view, when you zoom out, for January, we're up about $7,000 in January. But it really don't feel that good because we're down $4,000 or $5,000 in one day. So market psychology, keep that in mind, is a real thing. When you're seeing these coins dip like the market is dipping today, you got to get in real quick because just like that, the market could flip on a dime and you'll look up and the market will be green. Bitcoin's down 4% today. AROZ network is down 10%. Turbo's down 11%. Ethereum down 7%. It's like a smorgasbord buffet for cryptocurrency altcoins right now. You go into the crypto restaurant right now, you say, give me a large thing of Sui. It's down 8%. Give me a large container of Turbo. It's down 11%. Matter of fact, give me 2 servings of DGen because DGen's on discount, down 20%. Please load the boat. I see Jasmy. Give me a half pint of Jasmy. It's down 12%. That's what's going on right now. There's no other way to cut it, no other way to slice it. But nevertheless, we know that we are going to continue to make all-time highs in Bitcoin. We know we're going to continue to pump with these altcoins. Altcoin season is going to be explosive. It's going to catch a lot of folks off guard because a lot of folks will be exiting early. And the folks that's going to be exiting early, shouts out to them because everybody can't handle and take the storms of the up and down with cryptocurrency, which is what we will continue to see all year. You know, it's not going to go up in a straight line like we continue to tell you, but it's going to go up. Like you say, we was at $91,000 December 31st. We got up to $102,000 yesterday. Now we're back down to $97,000. Who knows? Tomorrow we might be $104,000. And then we might come back down to $101,000. So like I mentioned yesterday, it's like when you're doing those sets and you exercising, after each set, you take a little bit of breath, you go back down a little bit, take a breather, then you get back up under that bench, start back pumping them weights, and you get higher than you was doing the previous set. So market psychology is a real thing. Make sure you relax. You don't have to open up your portfolio every day. Sometimes just enjoy your day. Do what it is that you need to do, especially if your bags are packed and there's no need for you to be opening up your portfolio. All you need to do is open up CoinMarketCap if you want to, just to take a look at the overall scope and scheme of what the market is doing on the day. And if you see that Bitcoin is getting smashed, then you know your altcoins are getting destroyed, and vice versa. If you see Bitcoin is accelerating and exploding, then you know your altcoins are exploding at the same time. So market psychology is a real thing. Make sure you protect your mental space. If cryptocurrency is too much for you, do not be ashamed to tap out because everybody is not mentally built for the volatility that comes with cryptocurrency. Like I mentioned, some folks are down $30,000, some folks down $5,000. Hey, some folks are down $900. So everybody have different levels of volatility that they can or cannot take. But as for me, hey, we're rocking with it. We're rolling with it. We've been in this market for years. We've seen this before. This is not a new show. This is not a new episode or anything like that. We've already seen it before. So we're going to continue to rock with the market, the 4-year cycles. And we know the inauguration will be happening January 20th. We have some exciting things coming into play. A new pro cryptocurrency administration is coming in. We have a lot of things that are set and will be exploding. Like I say, crypto at any point in time can explode and really go to the moon. Bitcoin $97,000 today. You probably wake up tomorrow, it could be $104,000. So we know Bitcoin can explode $8,000, $10,000 in one day. So come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. It's good to be with a cryptocurrency community, especially in times like this where we can hold each other's hands, kind of keep each other comfortable so we can stay abreast and in tune as to what is going on with the overall market. But like I say, I just continue to come to you guys every day just to continue to give you that good encouragement. Coming to you guys every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.